Hello, just a short update on where I've got now. All of the ancillaries have been removed from the engine bay, and as you can see now it's totally bare. So now the work's got to start on stripping, cleaning and eventually repainting in here. What it also means is that all of the ancillaries I've taken out now need to be refurbished, and there's quite a long list of those to do. So how long it's going to take me, I don't know, but I'll post regular updates as and when I do things. The suspension will certainly need to be refurbished as well. Lots of little bits of surface rust. Some of the rubbers appear to be perished, so replace all the bushes, a general clean, maybe repaint or powder coated, I'm not sure, of the suspension arms. We'll see how we go.